All right, welcome back. This is going to be probably rushed and it's going to be a quick video, but I wanted to make one because of the things going on in the market right now. And if you don't know how you got here, I've been documenting me selling options, or at least trying to make some extra money. This week has made that hard, and we'll look at some of the trades that I made and didn't make. And let's just hop over to it. The last week has not been kind to me, as probably some of you are feeling as well. I didn't get to update my spreadsheet yet today. That's how much of a rush I'm in. But I thought I'd still make this video. So this isn't entirely true. It might be a little higher than this, but so far this month, $2,570 in premium. I've made a couple trades since the market has started to collapse. Continuing to sell some calls on the SPY. The premiums for this, because of the strike price I'm choosing, 606 or 605-ish range, are not too great. But hey, it's still money and it's more than nothing. And I mentioned in my last video, I would stop selling puts and just wait on the sidelines. And for the most part, that's been true. However, I have sold a couple extra puts on SoFi because I couldn't help myself. It's such a good deal. I've actually bought shares outright too because I had some cash and I actually liquidated my SCHD so I could have some extra cash to go ahead and throw at SoFi for the time being. And so I just bought a few hundred shares outright and I sold a couple more puts as well. I sold a $13 put and another 13.50. Those are the only two trades that I've made since my last video when I said I would just wait and see what things end up doing. And I ended up rolling actually a couple more puts on SoFi that were expiring this Friday. I went ahead and preemptively just rolled them out. I think there were these $15 puts right here. And that's probably going to be likely the story for a lot of the puts that are expiring this week, unless something magical occurs between now and then. Luckily for me, I didn't sell many puts on MSTU because it's down a tremendous amount. $5 it's sitting at right now. So this put is totally in the money, deep in the money. And this is the kind of risk with a leveraged ETF during a market crash, if you will, especially with a highly volatile underlying asset. But I guess the positive news is that all of this, at least for right now, is short term. And I try not to have too much short term sight. I know that's kind of ironic when I sell weekly options, but I'm okay with rolling a lot of these options. In fact, I'm okay with rolling all of them, except maybe some of these SoFi puts if they become in the money because I'll acquire more shares. But it's easy to see some of the stocks that you believe in go down and freak out. And when you're nearsighted, that makes it very, very scary. But I try to zoom out and look at the big picture and just take it 1 week at a time. So I'm not worried. I don't think you should be either. And really, I'm just going to continue to wait and see what happens. I don't plan on selling any more puts this week, but you never know what's going to happen. Um, I'll keep you guys posted as always, and I hope to see you in a future video.